We are entering the parking area of Horseshoe Bend.
May $10.
Going to the Horseshoe Bend from the parking lot takes a 1.5 miles hike or 2.4 kilometers round trip. And reaching it, you can see the view from the steep cliff above.
Oo, no?
It is then better to bring some water on the hike, for there are no trees to hide from the heat of the sun. And during hot season, water can help a lot in hydration. Horseshoe Bend is a horseshoe-shaped river valley that has cut into bedrocks and form a winding course with steep slopes on either side of the Colorado River, and is located in the town of Page, Arizona, USA. And it is located 5 miles downstream from the Glen Canyon Dam and Lake Powell. The route is not cemented but flat soil, and along the way you can see a lot of wild rhubarb plants with flowers. They look beautiful. It is so windy that I ate already some dust.
Welcome to Glen Canyon.
Good thing this shed can help cooling down or sit for a while when tired of walking.
Eh, lang gid ka, makaadto ko na yun. Wow! Look at that! What a marvelous view!
It is so deep and scary to get very near the edge. The overlook is 4,200 feet or 1,300 meters above sea level, and the Colorado River is 3,200 feet or 1,000 meters drop, and Colorado River near the bend is 10 to 15 feet deep, but in some spots there are about 60 feet deep. So when you come to visit the place, be very careful not to get close to the edge. You know what? There are many accidents that happened here before. So, when taking videos or photos or simply sightseeing, be aware of your sides and back. Might be there are some who don't pay attention and bump you accidentally near the cliff, so you will fall down. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video. May you all have a nice day. Bye. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. See you later. Have a nice day. Bye.